Hello, grade 4. Let's talk about the work of SST. Today, you are going to listen the chapter number 3, Life in the Northern Mountains. As the second chapter was also related to the northern mountains, and this was telling you the Himalayan ranges, how people are moving there, what is the climate over there. So, now you are going to understand the life or what kind of ways the people are having in the northern mountains to live. First of all, what you are going to learn in this, which are the states and union territories in the northern mountains. It will tell you that which are the states and which UTs lies here. And second is about the places of interest, lifestyle, and how's the culture of the people in this region. Then you are having first question here, find out and list the states and union territories in the northern mountains of the India. Means you have to write down the state's name and union territories name which lies in northern mountains. So let's talk about the states and union territories that are in northern mountains. First of all, we talk about Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh region. We all know about Jammu and Kashmir. We all know about the people who are living there, how they are living, and what kind of climate is there. It is divided into three parts mainly. One is Jammu, then Kashmir, and then Ladakh. And we call Jammu and Kashmir, or even only for the Kashmir, we use the words heaven on the earth. And it was given by the Emperor Jahangir, who told that Kashmir is just like heaven on earth. In Jammu and Kashmir, there are beautiful valleys and lakes and rivers, evergreen trees like pine, chinar, and people like to visit here. They like the beauty of the Jammu and Kashmir. There is, we can say, rivers also, major rivers, Indus, Tavi, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Janskar, Shillong, Nubra, which are flowing through these two union territories. Dal Lake, we also know that people come here in the winter when the water of this Dal Lake just gets its beauties with the help of shikaras, the flat bottom wooden boats lies there, and these are called the house boats also, because people try to stay there for a few days and they enjoy it very much. Then places to visit, you can visit here Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Janskar Valley, Khardung, La Valley, and Spatik Monastery are some famous tourist places. People like to visit here. They want to see the beauty of Jammu and Kashmir by going in these places. There is Shalimar Bagh also, Nishat Bagh also, Chashme Shahi and Indira Gandhi Tulip Gardens are also very famous for the natural beauty. Then there is a culture the peoples are following here. They are having special kind of clothes they have to wear, and we know that film, or we can say that people of Jammu and Kashmir, both men's and women's, wear these similar kind of clothes in their places, and they like these clothes and jewelry very much. Then for eating, you can go there, and there people like a special type of tea which they called kahwa, right? And along with that, you can get to know about Rogan Josh, Gustaba, Rista, Yakhni. In Ladakh, you will come to know about favorite dishes also. Not in South, but in this also, people like momos also very much. Here you can see the beautiful picture of Nishat Bagh, which is extremely beautiful with the natural flowering and other things. You can see the mountains over there in the picture. This is the picture of mutton Rogan Josh, a popular dish from Jammu and Kashmir. Then we talk about the occupation. Peoples like to do the work of rearing the animals. They are doing farming also. They grow crops of barley, maize, rice and wheat, and along with that they grow apples, cherries, plums also. And saffron from here, which is known as the kesar, is also liked by peoples. Then we talk about Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is another state which lies in the northern mountains, and it is near to the territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, and it is famous for its beautiful tourist places and valleys. Places which you can visit in Himachal are Kullu, Manali, Shimla, Dalhousie or Dharamshala. Chela hill station is in the state, has the world's highest cricket ground and is also considered as a hiker's paradise. And what about culture? People are living simple life. They are wearing cholas and churidars embroidered with the threads, and women wear kurta, pajama and a scarf on the head. Rice, maize and vegetables are important part of the staple diet of people. Pati, chalk, bajra are the some of important dishes of the state. Then people like some kind of music and dances also. Folk dance they like very much. And then occupations, here are also people like to do agriculture work, and along with that they are growing crops on the hill slopes and valleys. Mainly which things comes from here are plums, peaches, apricots, pomegranates and apples. That are the main crops which are grown here, or fruits grown here. Along with that, people also involved in toy making, wood carving and shawl weaving. Kangra, which is known as the 18th century Pahadi miniature painting, and it is famous for these paintings.